Okay, man, and I guess people, and we're about to start the hike to Maracas Waterfall. And then we have Dan and Andrea leading the pack. That's the rest of the crew coming up. Over and out. Alright, we're about to start the climb to the top of the falls. So the hikers are getting ready. And look at the place. It's a bit run down. The chairs and tables are all mossy. Lack of maintenance. Okay. Okay, and this is the waterfall before the actual Maracas Waterfall. So take a look at it. Beautiful. Okay, and these are the basins before the actual Maracas Waterfall. The crew is coming. And there's a waterfall right there. And this is a lovely pool to swim in. All on the way to Maracas Waterfall. The group enjoying the basins on the way up to the falls. Okay, go ahead.
This is the foot from the mountain road. Brownie Coxilia. Right? Full name, Brownie Lucky Four.
Okay. And this is Kurt climbing the rocks here to get high up the falls. Enjoying the first waterfall before the actual Maracas Waterfall. And it's super duper fantastic. Alright, and that's the ladies here bathing under the falls. And that's the falls. They're way up. Ooh. That's the rest of the crew there, relaxing. Yes, this is Maracas Waterfall. One up.